Is your Chevy Trailblazer key fob unresponsive or has reduced range? A dead battery prevents remote keyless entry and start functions. This video guides you through replacing the battery in 2021-2023 models. Let's fix it quickly. For replacing your Chevy Trailblazer key fob battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or prying tool. These help open the fob without damaging the plastic casing. Before you start, ground yourself by touching a metal surface to discharge static electricity. This prevents damage to the fob's internal circuits from static buildup. Finally, have your replacement CR2032 battery ready. This 3-volt lithium coin cell is the standard type for this fob. Locate the small notch on the key fob. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or prying tool into the notch. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid applying excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. You may need to remove a physical key first, if applicable. Once the key fob is opened, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side with the plus symbol faces upward. Using a prying tool, gently remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side with the plus symbol faces upward. Make sure the new battery is positioned securely in the compartment before reassembling the fob. Begin by carefully aligning the two halves of the key fob, ensuring all components fit properly. Press the halves together firmly until they snap securely shut. Ensure there are no gaps and the fob feels solid. Finally, test the buttons to confirm everything works. In most cases, the key fob will work immediately after battery replacement. If not, try reprogramming by inserting the key into the ignition, turning to the on position without starting the engine, and pressing the lock or unlock button on the fob. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual or visit a Chevrolet dealership. To extend your key fob battery life, avoid storing it in extreme temperatures. Heat and cold can drain the battery faster, so keep it in a moderate environment. Check the battery annually to catch any issues early. This simple maintenance step helps prevent unexpected lockouts or starting problems. Newer Chevy models are exploring Bluetooth low-energy technology for improved battery efficiency and extended range. Future key systems may eliminate batteries entirely, using smartphone integration for seamless vehicle access and control.